So we have two homework assignments for this section. I don't have the previous markups. Let me turn these indicators off. In the previous section, we had you draw the trend lines, support and resistance lines, right? So let's pretend I drew this during my last homework assignment. And if you happen to delete them, you could always go back and just do the exercise all over again. It'll be good practice. So we're looking at higher time frame candlestick patterns. So draw this support and resistance, right? You want to see the type of candlesticks that are forming where that rejection, like at these support and trend lines, what kind of candlesticks are forming. So if I move this to a trend line, something like this, what type of candles are forming and when it comes off of it or through it, right? This is usually a sign that we're going up, but not always, because look, came right back down below this and then went up. So this exercise is just getting you used to the market, seeing how price flows, what type of candlesticks happen, and where they're most likely to form. This is not, if you see this, do this, this means this. Just an understanding of the flow, and these candlesticks are going to tell you a story of the market flow. Now, in homework number 2, you're going to want to build in your system. So I keep track of these key levels, right? Then I also use my moving average. Let me go down a time frame because this is a 4-hour moving average. Let's find this. Okay. So let's say this is my support or my resistance, sorry. And my trading strategy says when price goes here and if it doesn't continue through it and it comes back under, I'm going to take a sell. Well, with this indicator, I'm waiting for it to turn red. Because not only is price underneath, see how it didn't turn red right here? Not only is price underneath, but that invisible moving average I have with this crossed from above it down below it, indicating a downward trend. So my entry could be somewhere down here, or maybe we do a breakout once it clears this, wherever your system is. And then let's say I want to add in the VWAP. So now if I go down, let me just hit the bar replay. Go down to the 1 hour. Now you can see it's under the VWAP plus the 0.5 multiplier of it. And this indicator turned red. So that's double, triple analysis. We're continuing lower. So let's say that was my setup. This candle printed, it turned red. We're buying as soon as price goes past that candle that just closed. And we're going to take it down to this area. Just for example. And then we'll play it out. And, oh, almost there. Oops. And we hit. I don't have my magnet on, that's why I was like, why is this not snapping? Oops. So if this was a downtrend, we want to see it break where support was. It held resistance, came back, got both our indicators, took a sell. Let's get to support, because if it holds support, it's going to go back up. Or if we go through it, then we're going to continue down lower. So we got our profit. This trading setup, for example, just got us a 3.42. Now that is not my trading setup. I do use these but I go to a lower time frame to find my entry. But if I was swing trading, this is a pretty good setup for hourly trading. So that is up to you. Find 2 indicators that you could use with this price action of support and resistance and trend lines to help you identify trades. And then we'll see you in section 4 where we dive in a little more.